When it comes to natural beauty, the answer might already be sitting in your kitchen. Red lentils, also known as masoor dal, are not just a staple in many households, but also a powerhouse for skincare and natural radiance. Packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, fiber, and antioxidants. Red lentils can transform the way your skin looks and feels, both from the inside out and outside in. Let's begin with how red lentils work when consumed regularly. Being rich in protein and amino acids, they help in the repair and regeneration of skin tissues, promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. The high levels of iron in red lentils improve blood circulation, which gives your skin a natural rosy flush and prevents dullness and fatigue from showing on your face. They are also full of zinc and folate, nutrients that support collagen production and aid in maintaining skin elasticity and youthfulness. Their high fiber content helps cleanse the digestive system, flushing out toxins that often show up on our skin as acne, blemishes, or uneven texture. A healthy gut reflects directly in glowing, clear skin. Additionally, red lentils have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent food for those trying to manage blood sugar levels, and studies show that balanced blood sugar contributes to fewer breakouts and less oily skin. But red lentils aren't just beneficial when eaten. They can be a secret ingredient in your skincare routine too. For generations, women across South Asia have used red lentils in homemade face packs to exfoliate dead skin, brighten dull complexions, and fade dark spots. When ground into a fine powder and mixed with yogurt, milk, or rosewater, red lentils form a natural exfoliant that removes impurities, unclogs pores, and leaves skin feeling smooth and refreshed. The enzymes in lentils gently cleanse the skin while improving its texture, making them perfect for those dealing with rough patches, blackheads, or uneven tone. Regular application of red lentil masks can also help reduce tanning, minimize the appearance of pores, and lighten pigmentation caused by sun exposure or acne scars. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of red lentils make them soothing for irritated or sensitive skin, and their high antioxidant content helps fight free radicals, slowing down the aging process and reducing fine lines and wrinkles over time. Another impressive benefit of red lentils for natural beauty is their ability to control excess oil production without drying out the skin. This makes them ideal for people with combination or oily skin types. By gently absorbing sebum and deep cleaning the pores, red lentil face packs can prevent breakouts while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. For dry skin, red lentils can be combined with moisturizing agents like honey or cream to form a hydrating and nourishing pack. When used regularly, these masks can soften the skin, improve its elasticity, and leave behind a healthy glow that no chemical-laden product can replicate. Not to forget, red lentils are also great for hair health. Rich in folate and protein, they help strengthen hair from the roots and encourage hair growth. Folate, in particular, plays a key role in ensuring proper oxygen and nutrient supply to the scalp, which is essential for strong, shiny hair. You can even make a natural hair pack by blending soaked red lentils with yogurt and applying it to the scalp for 30 minutes before washing. This not only nourishes the scalp but also prevents dandruff and dryness, leaving your hair soft and voluminous. Incorporating red lentils into your beauty routine is simple, affordable, and highly effective. Start by adding them regularly to your diet in soups, stews, or salads to reap the internal benefits. For topical application, try soaking a few tablespoons of red lentils overnight, then grinding them into a paste and applying them to your face or hair once or twice a week. You'll be amazed at how something so basic can bring out your skin's natural glow and enhance your beauty in the most holistic way. In a world overwhelmed by synthetic beauty products and expensive treatments, red lentils offer a humble, natural, and nutrient-rich alternative that has stood the test of time. Whether you're battling acne, uneven skin tone, early signs of aging, or simply want to maintain a youthful glow, red lentils can be your go-to remedy. Remember, true beauty begins with what you nourish your body with, and red lentils provide the perfect blend of internal health and external radiance. So next time you cook with red lentils, think beyond just taste and nutrition. You're also preparing a powerful natural beauty elixir, one that has been loved for centuries and continues to shine in modern holistic wellness. Embrace red lentils and let your natural beauty shine through, effortlessly and radiantly, the Healthy Horizons way.